Now we have lesson number 5. Number 2 on lesson number 5 is we have A again. Okay, si A. Ito, makikita nyo, no, yung una nating mga example, we have si main, no, yung sa unang lessons natin, main yung example natin. So, ang sound niya is A, no, A. A na, ano siya, parang maarte na malambot, A. While we have here another is A, as in A. Yung vowel na A is A. Like the word as. Okay, as. Matigas yung pronunciation natin kay A, no? Yung una, A, malambot. Then, ngayon, we have A as in as. Pero, same lang po sila ng stroke, which is yung letter A din natin. Yung A pa rin naman siya. So, pare-parehas lang siya ng ano, basta it is A and then A. Okay, yung pronunciation na A and A, parehas lang po sila ng stroke na yung bilog lang. Okay, so sample, si as. Okay, as. We have AS. Okay, lakihan natin. A, then S. That is as. We have A, then S. As. Another is has. Has. H, then AS. Has. Another example is act. Okay, act. We have A, KT. Okay. We have A, then KT. Act. Another is back. Okay, back. We have B-A-K. Again. We have B-A-K. Back. Another we have here arm. Arm. We have A-R-M. Okay. Another is farm. We have F-A-R, then M. Farm. Again, F-A-R-M. Farm. Another for A is start. Here we have S-T-A-R-T. Start. S-T-A-R-T. Start. Next tayo, si E and I, obscure vowel. Sabi, the tiny circle that represents the sound of E as in heat also represents the vowel sound heard in let, him, and the obscure vowel sound in her and then heard. Okay? So, same lang yung ginagamit natin na letter E doon sa mga tulad ng words na let, him, her, and then heard. Ang ginagamit is si letter E, yung maliit na bilog. Okay? So, example dyan na word, we have let. Okay? We have L-E-T. Let. Maliit na bilog ulit. Sound niya is E. E. Let. E. Another is get. We have G-E-T. Get. Get. Okay. G-E-T. Another is said. Okay. Said. Ang sound nito is E. Yung napopronounce nito. Said. Diba? Said. Same din yan sa word na seed. No? Yung seed. So, itatabi natin. We have said. Then, we have seed. So, same lang sila na ganito. S-E-D. Pareha lang po yan. S-E-D. Yung said, tsaka seed. Okay? And then, we have another. We have help. Okay, we have H, E, L, then P. Okay, lakihan ko lang. H, E, L, then P. Help. Another is test. Okay, we have T, E, S, T. T-E-S-T. Test. So, kay I naman, yung I, like, yung words na him, Bill, and then did. Ang ginagamit din natin dyan ay yung small na circle, which is letter E. So, him, we have H, E, M. Okay. Kay Bill, we have B-E-L. Okay. And then, kay did, we have D-E-D. Okay. So, again, we have H-I-M kay him. We have B-I-L kay Bill. We have D-I-D kay did. Okay. So, another, we have give. Give, also letter E, we have G-I-V. Give. Okay. Another dito yung her. So, ito yung tinatawag na obscure vowel. Kasi yung pronounce niya her. Ayan, her. Also, yung hurt. Okay. So, yung pronounce nitong hurt is parang letter E rin kay her. Diba? Her, hurt. So, kay her, we have H-E-R. Kay hurt, we have H-E-R-T. Her, and then hurt. Okay? Another. Serve. Okay, serve, we have S-E-R-V. Okay, S-E-R-V. Serve. Okay, another C, answer. Answer. We have A-N-S-E-R. Okay, again. A-N-S-E-R. Okay. Again, A-N-S-E-R. Answer. So, number 4, we have the TH. The TH. Yung sa mga word na this, then, team. Okay. Ang ano natin yan sa steno, it is called it. As in I-T-H. Okay. It. Also, dalawa yan. We have yung over it. Over it. And then yung under it. Ang over it is pa ganito. Ayan po. Paangat. Okay. Paangat na pa-curve. Paangat na pa-curve po. Pa-curve po yan hindi yan yung letter T na diretso. Okay. Yung T natin pa-diretso na forward, di ba? Si over it, pa-curve. Ayan. Pa-diretso po siya na pa-curve. Si under it naman, paibaba. Okay. Paibaba yung curve niya. Again, paibaba yung curve ni under it. Ganyan po siya isulat. Again, hindi siya letter T ha. Iba yung letter T. Diretso lang. Si under it, paibaba. Ang curve. Pa ganyan. May curve. That is under it. Okay. Ito yung TH. Kung gamitin sa English yan, TH. Pero sa steno, it is it. Okay. So, sample tayo. We have here, kay over muna tayo, over it. Okay, over it. This. Later on, itatake naman natin yung ano yan. Pinaka-rules niya kung kailan mo gagamit si over at saka si under na it. Okay? So, this, we have over it, E-S. Over it, E-S. Over it, E-S. This. Okay, another example. Then. Over it, E-N. Over it, E-N. Then. Also, we have theater. Theater. We have over it, E-T, and then R. Over it, E-T, R. That is theater. Another is the word teeth. Teeth. Okay, we have T, E, eat. T, E, over eat. Okay, nakita nyo, ito yung T, straight siya. Tapos, pagdating natin kay over eat, may curve. Okay, again, teeth, T, E, over eat. Okay, pa-curve dapat si over eat. Sample naman tayo kay under eat. Okay, under eat. We have here dough. We have under eat and then O. Under eat and then O. Okay. Also those. Under eat O S. Under eat O S. Then 3, number 3. Under eat or E. Under eat or E. Okay, dapat may curve po, pa-curve po yan ha, kasi baka mapagkama natin letter T kapag hindi niya nilagyan ng curve. Okay, another, we have both. B, O, B, O, it. We have both. B, O, it. B, O, it. Okay, under it po yan ha, under it. Okay, another example. We have bird. Kay bird, si letter I dito, as in bird, ay ano siya, silent. Okay, silent po siya. So, we have B, R, then under it. Okay, again, we have B, R, under it. Again, B, R, under it. That is bird. Another, we have toro. We have under it, E, R, then O. Toro. Then, under it, E, R, O. Toro. Okay. Another kay under it is true. We have under it, R, U. Under it, R, U. True. Okay. So, next, we have brief forms. Another set of brief forms. Okay. So, we have the, that, with, you, and your. Okay. So, the is over it lang. Yung over it natin. Yan. That is the. Brief forms na tayo. Brief forms yan. The, over it. Okay? Over it. Kaya tayo may brief forms again kasi ito yung mga lagi nating nagagamit na words. Then that, we have over it and then A. Over it, then A. Over it, then A. Over it, then A. With naman is mauuna si E and then over it. E over it, E over it, E over it. And then yung you and your is just letter U. U. Okay, U. Yung pabaliktad na O. Okay, so next set of brief forms, we have can, of, and then is or his. Yung can na letter K. Okay, letter K and then letter K. That is can. Then of is letter O. Yun yung letter O natin, di ba? O. O. And then is and his is just letter S. Okay, letter S. Okay, that is can, of, is, and his. And then we have Mrs. Last time we have Mr. No? So ngayon we have Mrs. Yung Mrs. Spell out pa rin natin sila lahat. M-R-S. M, M-R-S. M-R-S, Mrs. And then we have but. Okay. B and then T. B and then T. B and then T. That is but. Okay. So now, dahil may mga bago tayong brief forms, meron din tayong phrases. Yung mga phrases, pinagsasama lang yan na brief form. No? Yung mga common phrases din natin. Yung usually nagagamit. We have in the. We have, diba, in and then the. In the. Okay? In that. Okay? In that. In that. Okay, we have you are. Okay, we have you are. You are. Then with you. Okay, we have with, then you. With, then you. With, then you. Okay, that's with you. Okay, another set of common phrases. I can. I cannot. And then it is. Okay, so I can. I and then K, which is can. I can. Okay, so I cannot, talagyan lang natin ng not. I cannot. I cannot. Okay, we have yung I can and then not. Then it is letter T and then letter S. It is. It is. Okay. Then another set. Last for this lesson, yung common phrases. In his. And then with his. Okay. In his. In his. In his. And then with his. With his. With his. Okay, so that's our common phrases for lesson number 5. Sabi, observe that in the phrases in the third column, the left S is used for is and his. So, ba't siya left S na yung ginagamit dun sa it is, in his, tsaka with his? Kasi, gumamit tayo ng forward. Okay, we have forward stroke and then yung S. Okay, forward stroke and then S. Then another forward stroke and then S. Okay, hindi natin siya pwedeng ganito, tas ganito, kasi pwede natin ito mapagkamalan na letter U. Diba? Mukha siyang letter U. Pag ganyan na, oh, mukha itong letter U. Kaya, left S ang gagamitin natin. Okay po. So, that is our lesson number 5.